Mokokchung District Industry Centers pra One District One Product promote korbo nimide workshop rakhishe. Mokokchung District pra coffee initiative logina ase today coffee production do Nagaland de kiniga uthai gina jabo eto opo workshop to thagishe. Coffee khali laga bole nohoy gina kiniga brand ekta olabo nohelebi product to kiniga pack kori gina market te anibo eto laga jankari kan dibule program do rakhishe. Deputy Commissioner Ajit Kumar Verma pra program de special guest kredishi aru One District One Product laga initiative to Ministry of Commerce or Industry Department pa lua lagase kundu soka pra direct funding na korea will be stakeholders pa resources saigina products to identify korea ko gina junaishe. Workshop te technical session do GIDI Mokokchung laga principal T imlisten up au pra luidishe Indonesia Ayer Bakery laga CEO Atipong Ayer Mascot Store and Cafe la proprietor Ali Mua S Longkamer pra branding and packaging oporjana kota kredishi.
One district, one product was to motivate the districts to identify a single and most important product in the district has the advantage in terms of the production, quantity, quality and localization of the product. So because of that time the Ministry of Commerce, they initiated by the Government of India, they encouraged all the districts in the country to identify at least one product wherein the conversions can be done. The fan of one will so this one so you know that one district, one product, digital department could not take that impetus, especially because one district, one product is not a scheme where the funding will come. It's not a scheme that government will provide the budget and accordingly you have to initiate the awareness and those kind of activities which will be going to motivate the people for the production of the particular product. It was a kind of a convergence initiative by the Ministry of Commerce and the Department of Industry in Nagaland that all the stakeholders including departments and the private stakeholders will come together. They will try to convert the resources and accordingly they will try to promote the particular product that has been identified by the people of the district. It's not that government will motivate the people. So because of that, this initiative somehow could not get that importance, what I will say, because we are observing this thing for 5 years. But recently also department is again taking one priority and in parallel the department of land resource, the main department who was taking care of the coffee product, they have done a lot of activities for the coffee production and because of that entire Nagaland, across Nagaland we are able to report that marginal, I think, the growth in the production of the coffee in the district. And that too in Mokokchung we have a special kind of a production as mentioned by our GM. She was mentioning that 50 metric ton coffee was produced in 1 year. So this is the one data. I think in coming days it will be more because people are motivated enough. So today's workshop is important because we have invited the main stakeholders. And today during the One District One Product Committee, district committee also we had conducted multiple meetings. And for today's workshop, what I want to convey is that this is not a government platform that will ultimately increase the production. This is the real people who are on the ground. Department can motivate, department can organize the workshop for training, branding, skilling, promoting, marketing. Those things can be done by the Department of Industry and Department of Land Resources. They can provide the training, they can provide the various technical support. But ultimately the people who are living in the district and doing the work, they are the most important people who are working in the ground. So for today's workshop, my request is that we can try to understand whatever kind of planning, whatever kind of provision they want to explain today. Luckily we have good resource person, especially principal ITI and the members who are really working in the ground. You know that for any product to promote, the production is the primary step. The production should be enough. It should be marketable. It should have enough the scale of production so that it can be marketed outside or inside. And the second step is the demand. And demand can be created only if we have people who can process it. So that's why the Department of Industry mostly focusing on the food processing. The processing is the most important component for every sector. We are talking about nowadays. We are talking about the self-employment, entrepreneurship, business entrepreneurship. So that is only possible because considering the geographical scenario we are having in the district and absence of almost heavy industries are almost nil. We don't have any industrial unit in the district in the state. So in that way, we always talk about the agro-based industry. So for the agro-based industry, the basis, the technical basis is the processing. Processing means you have to add the value. In case of the banana, we used to go for a banana fiber, banana chips. So a lot of processing is required to increase the value and add the prices. So because of that only, we will be able to get the enough prices to survive. Because if a farmer is producing the particular product and he is not getting the desired market rate,